I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine?
Can I just say na I am really excited for this coming weekend kasi it's going to be my first nature trip of the year. Binook ko siya parang first week of January ata. Pupunta kami ng Pampanga for the Inararo Eco Tour, yung Tutulari Avatar Gorge. Kasi nakita ko siya sa Instagram. Kasi habang nagsiscroll ako, nakita ko si Diana. She's a YouTuber. Meron siyang post. Tapos pinindot ko yung location. I instantly fell in love with it na I wanna see it for myself. So, it's going to be chill lang. Pero after nun, pupunta kami sa cafe. Kasi binook ko yung tour na yun, na-realize ko na meron akong cafe na I have been wanting to go to, but they're based in Pampanga. Actually, hindi sila cafe nung una. Furniture, second-hand furniture store sila. If you guys know me, you guys know na I love second-hand items. I love furniture. And nung na-discover ko sila, parang sobrang kuhang-kuhan talaga nila ako. Parang feeling ko, sobrang ako yung mga pieces nila. Tapos ngayon, parang naging ano sila, matcha slow bar. And ang ganda nila. Shinare ko yun kay Gads. Tapos sabi niya, puntahan namin after nung tour. So that's what makes it extra exciting kasi hindi lang kami magtutour but we're also gonna go to a pretty cafe and we're gonna be chilling. Honestly, those are the things that I love doing. Nag-start rin kasi yung year when I was just thinking about kung ano yung gusto kong maging itsura ng year ko. Sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na every month, gusto ko to try something new. I mean, di naman, no pressure naman sa akin. Pero, kunwari, try something new. I mean, it can be as grand, ganon, as traveling to this country or hiking, ganon, pottery, or maybe just try a new cafe, try a new restaurant, things like that. So I guess for this month, yung Tutulari Avatar, yung something new ko, and I'm really excited. Hello! Good morning, Oti! Okay, so I got a new cookware piece. I just wanted to unbox it here kasi I super love this purchase. This is from Masflex. As you guys can see, it says olive. So, yun yung kulay neto. Ngayon na lang ako bumili ng ganito. Kailangan ko din kasi ng mas malaking pangsabaw na lutuan, ganun. I've been living alone for a year and 4 months. Sagi ako merong bagong natututunan and I-realize ko kung ano yung mga parang dapat bilhin or na aaral ko yung sarili ko. Sa kunwari kung ano yung hilig kong lutuin. Dahil ako, mahilig ako magsinigang, ganun. Minsan, nahihirapan ako magluto. Dahil dun sa lutuan ko, medyo maliit siya. That's why I decided to get this. So, let's unbox it kasi feel ko, dami ko na naman sinasabi. Ang gusto ko dito is meron siyang lid. Kasi yung ibang mga ganito, kailangan mo pa bumili ng separate na lid. I also really like yung handle nito. Meron siyang wood dyan. Beautiful! Ang ganda, diba? Tada! Ang ganda niya! I mean, hindi lang siya maganda ha. Maganda rin yung brand na to. Maganda daw yung quality. The other stuff that I got, bumili ako ng shower curtains. Bihira lang ako sa prints talaga, but I have parang fixed prints na hilig ko. Magsi 6 PM na ata. Kasi medyo madilim na. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog. Kasi naayos ko yung laptop ko, pati yung mga bangko ko, mga finances ko, parang pinag-divide ko siya. Also organized my Notion. But anyway, let me share with you guys yung mga binili ko sa Cubao Expo. I mean, parang nakita na rin naman yung mga pinili ko sa last vlog, pero wala lang. Gusto ko lang sila i-share kasi ang cute nila talaga. This is the first one. I got this for just 35 pesos. I think this is an ashtray. Pero bala ko dito ilagay yung mga everyday rings ko. Kasi onti lang naman yung accessories ko talaga. And naalala ko kasi dito, parang clover leaf, yung emoji. Ewan ko if naabutan nyo, pero yung Instagram username ko dati was Clove Valencia because CLOV were my initials before. Kaso wala na akong middle initial, kaya I had to change it to Chels Valencia. So yun, nung before na Clove Valencia siya, yung mga subscribers ko, parang tinatawag ko silang clovers. Nga lang, parang naalala ko dito yung clover na emoji. And it's also green, so I like it. And I mean, it's just 35 pesos. So, di ko na rin siya naiwan doon. And then, I saw mga Hello Kitty boxes. Tapos si Gads, nilibre niya ako ng isa. Dalawa sila. Parang hindi ko maiwan yung isa. So, I ended up getting 2 Hello Kitties. And fun fact, yung grade school yearbook ko, alam mo yung mga nakalagay doon, nililabel ka nila. Pag nakakatawa ka, yung tawag sa'yo is class clown, ganon. Yung sa akin, Hello Kitty girl. So, I got this kasi it's kind of reminiscent ba of those moments in my life. Wala na kasi ako Hello Kitty dito and naalala ko na grabe dati. Sobrang hilig ko talaga sa Hello Kitty. Yung kwarto ko parang Hello Kitty theme. Gusto ko na dito sa space ko, meron akong Hello Kitty kasi parang ito yung old Chelsea ba. Itong orange, balak ko to ilagay dun sa coffee corner kasi dun yung mga orange stuff. At yan, ayan sila. Sila ay naka-workwear. So, isipin natin parang naka-Carhartt si Hello Kitty, oh, diba? And then I also got this cloud keychain. 35 pesos. Meron akong ganito. Nakuha ko lang to dun sa laruan na binili ko kay OT. Tinanggal ko, tapos para sa akin to. Pang pusa ata yun. Anyway, si Guts daw ay pupunta dito. So, later, samahan niyo ako magluto ng creamy beef mushroom.
I just want to be alone, okay? Okay. But I'm just gonna walk a little way behind you in case you change your mind and want to talk. No, I'm okay. Charlotte walked all the way home. And even though she never turned back, she knew Miranda was behind her.
Grabe, nakaiyak-iyak na. Sarap. To be honest, lagi naman talaga tayo may ginagawang bago. Pero minsan, hindi natin siya nakakount kasi ang fast pace ng buhay. Parang gano'n. Lord, people of the earth. This is my bag from Beyond Dubai. Kaya sa mga gagawin kong something new, gusto ko na ilalagay ko sila sa calendar. Para, ewan ko, may ma-look forward ako gano'n. I don't know, maybe that's my way of making myself feel pumped. But yeah, my first nature trip or my first something new for 2025 wasn't really anything extreme. It's not even parang hiking. Nag-stop over muna kami dito sa parang medyo rocky na area. Ito itsura niya. It's a stroll. A very scenic stroll. Ganon. It's a slow-paced adventure and honestly, I loved how simple it was. It's so beautiful. Grabe, ang sarap gumising na maaga pag ganitong view. So sometimes when we try new things, we tend to go all out right away. But it's nice to, just start parang quiet, slow, and simple. Katulad na itong pinuntahan namin sa Pampanga. Like this Tutulari Avatar Gorge, for example, this place, parang it shows you that the best way to appreciate it is to slow down kasi you don't need to rush to go through it. We're here at Giligan kasi hindi pa kami kumakain ng lunch.
Breakfast and lunch.
Eee, this is my favorite. Init. Hello guys, time check. It's 2:12 p.m. and natapos kami sa tour namin I think at around 12:30. Tapos nag-lunch kami sa SM Clark kasi hindi pa kami kumakain ni Gats talaga. But anyway, as I've said, we're also gonna be going to a cafe and we're actually already here. Isa to sa mga cafe na gusto ko puntahan. And ayun, nandyan lang siya. But nandito pa lang kami sa kotse kasi si Gads hindi talaga siya nakatulog masyado. So he's taking a power nap right now. But yan, iba-blur ko na lang siya. But yeah, we're here at Day of Space. Teka lang, may mga tao sa harap. So yun, nagbaon ako ng ibang clothes for this cafe visit just because. Gold.
Ay, ito po?
Pero smaller lang yung akin.
Limited din po yan eh.
Hello guys. Tahimik kasi. We're now here at Day of Space. I ordered Ichigo matcha latte. And then si Gads, in order niya ay foamy matcha. It is really, really good, guys. Grabe pa kalahati. Sarap.
I just finished my matcha. Ano? Matcha latte. Finished my matcha latte and I want another one.
Hey, can I just say, I'm so happy that I was finally able to visit this cafe. Kasi, ayun nga, bago siya maging Matcha Slow Bar, guys, second-hand furniture shop siya. And I was so excited to meet the owner. This is Kiel, yung naka-green. We were able to chat just for a little bit. But again, Kiel, I am so happy for you and you really inspire me. Kasi what you're doing right now, this is what I aspire to do in the future. If you guys are going to Pampanga anytime soon, go visit this Matcha Slow Bar kasi it's one of the best matcha place I've been to. And makakailang matcha kayo, guys. Okay, so I got some new beans and dumaan ako ng grocery kasi bumili ako ng liver for OT. Pero bumili na rin ako ng milk kasi wala na ako milk. Tapos sumakto merong oat side doon. So, I tried the beans. I made coffee. Gab is here. What?
And that pull between the highly urbanized centers.
Okay, and because we cannot wait, we're gonna unwrap this already. Gusto ko sana sa morning pa to i-unbox, pero one thing about me is when I'm excited to see something, open it on the spot, okay? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yung itsura nung first poster, tagal ko nang iniisip talaga bumili ng bagong poster. But ayoko kasi ng paiba-iba ng poster. But siguro dahil sa mga na-add na dito, gusto ko ng simpler poster. Kasi kunwari yung mga Smiskis ko na nandyan, yung coffee machines ko, parang kita mo na magkakadikit sila. So medyo madami tingnan. So yun, yung original poster ko kasi na blue. I mean, it's already nice. I'm actually thinking of putting this inside my bedroom instead. I don't know, maybe it's because of the text. Parang there's so many things going on. Tapos you see the other decorations here. Parang magmumukhang anggulo na. So I wanted something na parang just bold and simple. The reason why I got this cinnamon is because I wanted something blue inside the living room. Kasi that's one of my favorite colors. Pero hindi ko siya masyado nakikita sa space ko. Ayun nga, I went for a bolder one. But may onting ganyan lang, para may oomph. Tapos ito naman yung isa ko pang poster. I mean, it's already beautiful. Pinag-isipan ko nga kung wag na bilhin yung isa. Pero naisip ko kasi, I've had this for, I think, 2 years or 3 years na rin. Naka-display siya nung hindi pa ako nakatira dito. Di pa ako nag-living alone. Doon siya sa bahay. So yun, wala lang. Parang gusto ko lang ng something new. Ito naman yung itsura nung isang poster na binili ko. Also, a little bit similar with this. Pero parang mas mukha lang malinis kasi mas malaki. Simple. But bolder. So, ewan ko. Pero this is what it looks like. Pero, I don't know, feel ko dahil mas malaki yung black and it has parang just a little bit of text. I really don't like na it came with a border also. So, I'm gonna have to cut this, same with the blue one. But hindi siya nag-fray once you cut it. Lalagay ko lang to. And after niya, let's just chill and watch the sunset together and also drink some tea. Hindi ko to na-vlog, hindi siya nasama. Kasi syempre, hindi ko rin siya vlog. Pero I actually got sick for a few days. Spike yung temperature ko to 39.7. Tas naging 40 rin siya. But fast forward, I'm feeling much better now. So yun, di mo na ako magko-coffee. Mag-ano mo na ako, magti-tea, ganyan. Onting coffee. I actually like them together. Gusto ko lang yung material nung nauna kong poster. Ito kasi medyo may pagka-tarpaulin material siya. But okay naman siya. Hindi naman na siya halata gaano. Yun, ngayon na nakikita ko sila together like this, inisip ko tuloy ihang na sila dyan. But this time, ayoko sanang i-drill. So, I'm gonna check sa mall if meron yung hook na sobrang tibay. I did a little bit of rearranging dito sa side na to. Kasi diba dito nun, nandyan yung isang frame. Kasi tinatakpan ko yung saksakan. But ngayon, since meron ng dalawang frame sa sofa, parang ang dami ng pa-square if meron pang frame pa dito. So naisip ko, yan, dyan muna yung plant. And parang malinis naman din siya tingnan. Or maybe I'd buy parang a stool for the plant para medyo mas matangkad pa siya. Let's see. I kinda wanna put something here. So this is one of my favorite things sa condo ko kapag sunset o'clock. Kahit na wala akong view, I like seeing yung araw. Tapos nasa curtain siya, nasa wall siya. Parang nakaka-good vibes talaga siya for me. Especially sa bedroom. Medyo magulo kasi itong part na to, pero see that? Anyway, may view naman ako eh. Kailangan ko lang talaga siyang i-zoom in ng sobra para makita. When I was looking for my first apartment or my first condo, gusto ko talaga sana parang maganda yung view, ganon. Pero sa ngayon, ito muna yung kaya. I mean, it still works. Kita pa rin naman, di ba? May sunset pa rin and may view pa rin naman. Sa ngayon, ito muna. Next time, kitang-kita ko na yan. But yeah, this is the sunset. And here's OT, also watching the sunset with Mama. Are you watching the sunset with me?